Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to check battery cycle count on iPhone. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? In order to go ahead and do so, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings. And now you want to simply go ahead and analyze system logs via settings by heading into settings, then privacy and security. And once you're in there, simply look for analytics and improvements. Click on that. And once you do that, simply go ahead and head into analytics data right over here. And then the most reliable method is going to be by copying the log aggregated file text and searching for maximum cycle count. So it is as simple as that. So simply scroll all the way down until you find the most recent starting log aggregated. So log space or aggregated. So let me just go ahead and show it to you. That way you have a better idea of it. So it's just going to be a file that's going to say log and then dash, then aggregated, and then it's going to give a bunch of numbers. Then tap on it and then tap the share button to in the top right to select copy. And then you will go ahead and search for the text maximum cycle count and you will get it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.